Gang, everybody, hello, what's going on? Tommy here, and Robin, the man from himself, has asked me today to talk to you guys about how to style medium length wavy hair. So the first thing to do, what I like to do is over maybe a week period, sort of let their hair develop its own natural oils and let them build up. And then when it's time to wash it, I definitely know it's time to wash it because I'm prone to a little bit of a dry scalp. It's all a little bit flat here through the centre and a little bit drier through the tips here. Time for the shampoo. A friend of mine has got me this, or got me these. These are from Patrick's. These are slightly drier than normal shampoos and conditioners, but I like how cleansing these two are. And then my normal sort of everyday shampoo that I'll use more regularly will be the Sheer Moisture Curl and Shine shampoo and conditioner together. So right now I'm going to go for a well overdue shower and I'm going to go and quickly wash all this off. I'm freshly washed for a change. As you can see, I just want to show you guys how it does look almost in its naked state just out of the shower. So there's almost zero volume to it, and there's a little bit of a wave. But I'm just going to show you guys now what I do, like I said, for the styling and also a little bit of general maintenance. Okay, so I have and sometimes do get a little bit of a drier scalp, so I like to use two different things dependent. This one is a Sasha scalp treatment. You need to use only until the dry scalp is cleared up. So that's when things get bad. Your everyday normal usage, I use this System Balance Lotion. It's more your everyday scalp treatment, okay? Combination of those two will keep it at bay, or those embarrassing shoulders at bay anyway. So when it comes to applying any sort of scalp treatment, what you're looking for is a nice and even distribution as close to the scalp as you can get it. All right, guys. So I like to start off actually upside down, and I start at the back of the neck, and I put a little bit of pressure on. I'll draw a straight line there all the way through to the front. Okay. You're going to want to then map the rest of the scalp evenly, as I'm going to show you guys now. All right. You can definitely feel it going in. You'll know if you've put on not enough, but you'll also know if you put on too much, right? And then you just want to treat yourself, all right? Get that in there. And I recommend probably doing this. You can do it every other day with the more everyday lotions, but like I said, once a week whilst you're washing your hair, when you've got slightly longer hair, that would be my recommendation. Yeah. I'm going to show you actually now more of a wash and go style finish. Okay, I like to use a combination of two things now. So first I use our Ruffian's hair cream. Super versatile. This one can be used almost everywhere neck up. All right, okay. So I'm just looking for like a small amount of that there. You want to work that through your hands, and it will, as always, it will disappear. All right. At this point, you want to work that through the hair. Yeah, you're looking for that nice sort of even coating throughout, okay? There's many leave-in conditioners, I guess, nowadays, people, but you will find the one that suits your hair. For me, I found it. It's this one. This is Zizam leave-in conditioner. This is quite light. It's mainly, it's perfect sort of for your post-wash, little bit of love, okay? You really don't need much of this. You don't want to be working it through the sort of the top section in through here. You're looking at sort of the remaining 2/3 of your hair. All right, guys. So I can show you this bit. And you want to do that, like I say, nice and evenly throughout. You're sort of giving everything just a light tease, a bit light kiss, and you can scrunch it in there as well. All right. So that's the base layer done. Moving on to sort of the final finish of the hair. So everything that you've seen before what I've done, you can pick and choose how often maybe you'll do it. But for me, I'm just going to show you the everyday wash and ready a little bit now. What I like to put on first is a bit more of a deeper trim. So it's our argan beard oil here. It does say beard oil, and you can put it anywhere. And I think that's the thing that I love about most products now. The way I see it, hair is hair, isn't it really? But 4 or 5 of these, same little bit of love through the tip here, but this is literally only through the final, probably the final quarter of your hair. You don't want to be going too deep with that, okay? And then last and, yeah, by no means least, a little bit of And I'm going to tell you a secret. So this doubles up as almost like an aftershave for any passerbys when you're on the train, fade up, because this has been, I've been asked what aftershave I've been wearing many times. It's actually just this, it's a trick. So I'm going to let the trick out. This is a hair moisturizer. This is actually very thick. So you're really looking to use a very, very small amount of this. But this can be used from the root or from the center there all the way through to the tip. Because this can be, a little bit can go a long way, okay, gang? So you're looking for a small amount like that. And like I said, this can go everywhere, okay? All right, lovely. So here we are. So now, and this is when I like to leave it. I like the hair to sort of do its natural thing, get out there in the sun, and let the normal sort of everyday London heat warm that food for us. So this is my everyday look. I do this just to keep and maintain that really nice condition to the hair, giving the hair just a little bit of attention, just so we can all get on and get on with our days. My lived-in look every day. Guys, I just want to thank you all for watching me and the big man Robin, and also wishing you all the best. If you do want to get in touch, I think all the links will be below for you guys there. It's been lovely to speak to you. I hope this can help in any way with you guys with your slightly long locks. And yeah, don't be shy. Get in touch. All right.